Aloha, namaste. I am Shaman Deb Hart, and welcome back. This is going to be really brief. I recorded another 5 minutes of Reiki, hiked out for several hours to this just amazing waterfall that was just so loud. Sat right next to it. So you've got and I say amazing because it was going down into this beautiful pool that looked like, I don't even know if I caught this part on the video, like a greenish lagoon. Just actually even felt like I was on another island. I hadn't seen anything like this on Maui. Not this color. It was really, really beautiful. Not that everything else isn't beautiful. It was just different. It was a different beautiful. Anyway, so you've got the energy of all of that water crashing so fast and the Reiki. I practice a couple of different modalities of Reiki. I practice, your Usui Reiki. I practice Sekhem, which is Egyptian Reiki, just little different subtle differences in the energy, and Light of Lemuria Reiki. So just, I don't know, the combination is just beautiful. It's really beautiful. So anyway, I'm going to bring that to you in just a minute. I am back in my beautiful office and thought I would just share with you. I have been creating. So I thought I'll just share with you a few things that I'm making. And it's all on my website. If you have any desire to try them, if you're here on Maui, stop by. I've got them here. Call me. I'll deliver it to you. Hang on. I was not prepared for I had to get it out of my fridge, but my newest flavor of kombucha is mango. I've got mango, ginger, and guava, and I am practicing a batch right now of lavender mint. That just sounds so amazing. In fact, I want to see if we can get that one to taste really good. My kombucha is very different. First of all, it's out of oolong tea, made with oolong tea. I've never had any other kombucha that's made out of oolong. Maybe there's some out there, but it just tastes different. And everybody that drinks ours, me and my beloved make it. Everybody that drinks ours says they really love it. It tastes different than any other kombucha. So try it. If you're here on Maui, let me know. I'll give you a bottle. You can try it. I'll give it to you for free because you will buy it. I guarantee you. So this is my my balsamic kombucha dressing. So I do have some kombucha in here. It's not enough to taste like kombucha, but it has the benefits of kombucha in it. And in my kombucha is also my sacred healing water. I activate everything. I only drink sacred healing water. I take it everywhere I go, unless I'm traveling, of course, right? And I've got that in my kombucha. So I've got the benefits of that in this dressing as well. And if you like to eat quinoa and you just get bored with it, oh my goddess, is this yummy on kombucha. And then I just wanted to show you a couple other things. So I've got my psychic protection spray. This has been very, very popular. So I've got a 4 ounce and a 2 ounce. And then, and same with the candles. I've got my 8 ounce psychic protection candle and a little 4 ounce, oops, this is sideways, a little 4 ounce candle. And then I've got the same thing with my blissful. So this is the energies of happiness, joy, peace, tranquility, all of that. That's in my blissful candle. That's the 8 ounce, and here's the 4 ounce. And I've got the same thing. I've got a 4 ounce and a 2 ounce bottle of that as well. So I just created the Aphrodite line, and that's the energies for aphrodisiac. So it gets you sexy on. So you got the spray, you can spray around your room. I've got a roll on, you can put it on your body, put it under your nose so you're smelling it. I'm a big smeller. Burn the candle, all of that. And then with all of those, I also have energy clearing. I'm just waiting for these labels, so I'm not showing them to you, but I've created a bracelet. So bracelets that have the same energy as the sprays and the candles. So I've got a whole line. So you could get the bracelet, the spray, the candle, the roll-on of all of those. If you really need the aphrodisiac, do all four. Here is the Aphrodite bracelet. And I've got, which one is this? The psychic protection bracelet. I've got the peace and happiness, the blissful bracelet. And then I've got the energy clearing bracelet. So got all of this now, creating more. I'm just in massive creation mode. I'm about to start my chakra line. So if you're wanting to work on a particular chakra, first of all, I've got really shout out to Destiny. Shaman Destiny Raven, sorry, I got sidetracked. She's just got some amazing activations, really, really amazing activations, and her chakra activations are quite powerful. If you want to work on a specific chakra, highly recommend looking at those. But you know, with that, I'm going to have a spray and a candle that you can spray around you when you're meditating, listening to that activation, burn the candle. So that energy is constantly going to assist you. And I'm going to do some creating right now chakra bracelets. It'll have all the chakras on them. One more announcement. I've been doing a live Zoom Reiki class, not class, for free the last couple of months. Going to continue to offer that, just my way of giving back, that's all. And if you have any interest, I'm doing the next one Wednesday, June 8th. So that's next Wednesday. And it'll be at 8 p.m. Eastern Time, 5 p.m. Pacific, and 2 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time. That's Wednesday, June 8th. If you have any desire to be on the call, I'll send you a link so you can join. And just email me at galacticshamandebhart@gmail.com. And that email will be below. So thank you so much for joining me, and hang tight for an amazing Reiki session. Okay. Love you all so much. Namaste.